So now we have a new method of approaching indeterminate form limits, and that is using L'Hopital's rule. Remember, the only two types of indeterminate forms you'll see on your AP exam are 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So before we can apply L'Hopital's rule, we must check that the hypotheses are met, which is either both the numerator and the denominator are equal to 0 or infinity. So if I was doing that on our first example, I see the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 3x equals 0, and the limit as x approaches 0 of x equals 0. So I've checked my hypothesis. So since my hypothesis is true, by L'Hopital's rule, the limit of my original quotient is equal to the limit of the quotient of the derivatives. So the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 3x over x equals the limit as x approaches 0. The derivative of sine 3x is 3 cosine 3x over the derivative of x, which is 1. So now I can get direct substitution, and my final answer is 3. So let's set it up the same way for the second example. Here I know the limit as x approaches 1 of x to the 6th minus 1 equals 0, and the limit as x approaches 1 of x squared minus 1 equals 0. So I've checked my hypothesis. So by L'Hopital's rule, the limit as x approaches 1 of x to the 6th minus 1 over x squared minus 1 is equal to the limit as x approaches 1 of the derivative, which is 6x to the 5th over 2x. So now I can do direct substitution, and I get 6 over 2, which is 3. So L'Hopital's rule